What's up guys? On this episode of Inspiration Nation, we're going to be giving our E46 a little bit of a brake upgrade, and for that we reached out to our guys at TMI Racing Products and they hooked us up with some Hawk pads, some Brembo high performance brake fluid, and some slotted and drilled rotors. So with that being said, let's get at installing this stuff on the car so you can get a general idea of what to expect. First thing you're going to want to do if you're replacing the rotors like we are, before you disassemble the caliper assembly, make sure you get your Allen key and break this bolt right here loose. If you don't break that bolt loose, you will not be able to hold it and get it broke loose. We actually had to put a little heat on ours. Whenever you're about to pull your caliper off, it's always good to have a couple hooks hanging around just so you can hang them from your coil spring or whatever you can get them to hang from, so that the caliper's not hanging from the brake lines. Now that we've got our bolts out for the rotor, take a 16mm socket and undo the caliper. Woo-hoo-hoo! I found a cut. And now that we've got our pads and rotors installed all the way around, it's time to switch out the brake fluid. And how we're going to do this, good old-fashioned turkey baster. Make sure you get a cup and don't get brake fluid everywhere. It will peel your paint. Now that we've gotten the reservoir completely drained of the old fluid, now we're going to pour in our Brembo brake fluid. Now it's just a simple matter of bleeding the brakes, starting from the farthest brake caliper from the reservoir until you see the fluid difference. Yep, pump. Alright. And there you have it guys, a basic brake upgrade for a budget track car. And we'd like to thank TMI Racing Products for sponsoring this episode and hooking us up with all the performance pads and fluids for our upcoming track event with Track Advantage at VIR. So on the next episode, we'll see you there.